All right, guys, welcome to travel update. We're going to be talking about all the travel plans we have as of April 4th, 2021. Now, we have been having people come up to us and say, where are you going to next? Where are you traveling to? What's your next cruise? So I just figured I'd put out this little video right here and let everyone know. Now, I guess the easiest way to keep up with what the Life is Good Today family is doing is to go on over to the Life is Good Today Facebook page. The link is in the description of the video. Just click on it, go on over there. If you're not a member, request to become a member of the Facebook group. Over there, we share all about traveling and having fun, and we just keep everything upbeat and have a great time. So consider doing that. Now, speaking of the Facebook page, let's go on over there, check out what's going on. All right, as you can see, we got our Facebook group here, the Life is Good Today Facebook group. Currently, we're sitting at 727 members. That's awesome. So, go to our events page. You go over here right under the More tab, click on it, you'll see events. Now, scroll down and you'll see everything we've got coming up. That's right, 4 different travel plans. Our very first one is the Riu Palace Bavaro, Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. It's an all-inclusive resort in the Dominican. We're going to be there Monday, May 17th through May 29th, 2021. Now, this is not sponsored by us. This group is actually going to be sponsored by Two Travel and Tour. That's Neil and Kim Junker of Two Travel and Tour. They're the one putting this group trip together. So please, if you want to become a part of that, go on over, contact Kim. Right there's her information on the screen. Contact her. Tell her that you want to be a part of this great trip. And we'd love to have you. Now, guys, any of these trips, they're not, everyone's invited. Everyone's invited. So, hey, don't hesitate to become a part of one of these great trips we've got planned. Now, the next trip we have planned is Sunday, December 5th through December 10th of 2021. It's on the Scarlet Lady. Let's click on this link and see what we got going on. Now, this trip on the Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady, it is a 5-night cruise out of Miami. We'll leave out of Miami. The next day's at sea. Then we'll be in Cozumel, Playa del Carmen. Then we'll have another day at sea. And then we'll end up back in Miami. Now, this is not a group cruise. It's not, there's nothing special planned. We're just going to have a great time on this, new ship. But we do have some fellow travelers joining us. We have Raphael and Amanda Vizo from Vizo's Travel. And we also have Jonathan and Shauna Short from the Six Traveling Shorts. So it's definitely going to be a great time. Now, let's click on back and see what's our next trip going to be. Oh, yeah. Now, this trip's not until next year in 2022, but it's a doozy, guys. I mean, this one right here, oh, man, it is going to be wild. It is the Midlife Crazy BBD Rum Run Cruise. It is Sunday, September 11th, 2022 through September 17th. Of 2022. Now, the good thing about that is, if you book it now, put your deposit down, you have until next year to pay it off. That's what we did. We put our deposits down, and bam, we'll be paying that bugger off next year. Let's click on the link and see what we got going on. Now, there's a lot of great people on this cruise, so I don't want to try to start naming names because I will definitely forget somebody. So go on over to Midlife Crazies group or their YouTube channel. check out all the information they got. They do even have a trailer for this cruise. A lot of great stuff going on. Now, let's check out the itinerary for this cruise. Day 1, we're leaving out of Miami. Then it's a fun day at sea. Then we're going to Ocho Rios, Jamaica. Day 4 is Grand Cayman. Day 5, Cozumel. Day 6, another fun day at sea. And then day 7, we'll be back in Miami. Now, if you would like to become a part of this great group cruise sponsored by Midlife Crazy, please contact Lucy Murray Musselman of MGM Family Travel. She is the travel agent for this group cruise, and she'll hook you up. She does an excellent job. Excellent job. We love Lucy. She's awesome. Now, again, like I said, this is going to be an epic group cruise. You won't want to miss this one. And by some chance you do miss this one or cannot make it, hey, there is a BBD Rum Run Recovery Cruise that is the next week. That's right. September 17th through September 25th of 2022. Well, this is the recovery cruise from the Run Rum Cruise. I mean, a lot of great people on this one as well. And of course, me and Miss Amber, we're on both of them. And again, this is sponsored by Midlife Crazy. Great channel. Check them out. Good times to be had for sure. If you don't know who they are, definitely correct that mistake. Now, maybe I should say this, this is on the Carnival Horizon. Same as the last one, same ship, Carnival Horizon out of Miami. Day 1, you leave out of Miami. Day 2 is a fun day at sea. Day 3 is a fun day at sea. And then here's your ports. Day 4, Aruba. Day 5, Bonaire. Day 6, Curacao. The ABC Islands. That's going to be epic right there. That's going to be awesome. And then, of course, day 7, 8, fun days at sea. And we'll be back in Miami on day 9. Again, if you want to become a part of this cruise or the following cruise, or you just want to happen to do a back-to-back like me and Miss Emma, hey, please contact Lucy Murray Musselman with MGM Family Travel. On the screen, you'll see the contact information. So please do that. Now, whoo, that was a lot, wasn't it? That's a lot. A lot of good fun. That's what that is. I mean, who cares? I mean, we're going to the Dominican Republic, and we're going to go on a cruise this year. Now, that ain't all. I mean, hey, we've got other ideas and things that we're, thinking about doing this year. So, again, to keep up with everything going on, become a member of the Facebook group. Go on over there. Always check out the events page. And, of course, if you're a member of the Facebook group, don't hesitate to share your memories, your cruises, your, trips. We want to see it all. We like to live vicariously through everyone. So, hey, hope to see you over there soon. And, of course, if you like this video, please do not hesitate to subscribe, share it out, leave a comment in the comment section, and, of course, hit that notification bell because, hey, we will be putting out more great content. So until next time, woo! I'll be seeing ya.